Hello everyone, this is the Bovine Terror, and today we will be playing Subnautica Below Zero. Now, we're just going to get back in and continue where we left off. And we're going to start by reading those PDA entries that we didn't read last time. Alright, the brine wing. So, a medium-sized predator known to spit super cold salt water to freeze its prey from afar. A large bladder on the brine wing's underside fills with seawater as it swims. Some water is filtered out through an internal membrane, leaving behind a strong saline solution. Two flat, transparent, extendable fins act as radiators, releasing heat and cooling the bladder's contents. The brine wing can then contract its bladder, expelling the supercooled brine and freezing the seawater up to several meters away from it. While warm-blooded life forms may suffer minor injuries on contact with the brine, it is not cold enough to freeze most vertebrates. The real danger is being helplessly encased in a block of ice, sinking ever closer toward the brine wing's jaws. Now, that is interesting, this wording in this last paragraph, because it says, while warm-blooded life forms may suffer minor injuries on contact with a brine, it is not cold enough to freeze most vertebrates, implying that most vertebrates on the planet are warm-blooded? That's at least how I'm interpreting that. That's very interesting. Alright, crash fish. Let's see if this is different. I really hope it's different from the first game. This unusual species has developed an emergency defense mechanism based on mutually assured destruction. It's exactly the same. Oh, that sucks. It's fine, but it's fine that they didn't change it, but it would have been cool to get some new information on the species that they just recycled. That's kind of unfortunate, but oh well. Alright, penguin. Bird-like creatures. Bird-like creature hunts small fish below the water, huddles in packs on the ice above. Consumes small prey fish and regurgitates them for its young. Retractable tail and claws allow for fast evasion of predators underwater and maximum grip on the ice. Sharp teeth concealed inside the beak can tear chunks out of aggressors and prey alike. Huddled in packs on the surface for protection against the cold. Assessment: less cuddly than they look. That's fair. Alright, symbiote. Alright, a small, fast predator which nests inside the hull of the Titan holefish and defends them at all costs. Symbiotes feed mostly on overconfident predators which attack the Titan holefish. Expending huge energy reserves to move quickly and strike their targets, the symbiote is dependent on receiving additional warmth and oxygen from the Titan holefish. Symbiotes lay their eggs inside the gills of the Titan holefish. The waste left behind is absorbed by the Titan, constituting all the nutrients it needs to survive. Assessment: catch or neutralize to approach the Titan holefish. Cool. Alright. Herbivores. Sea monkey. A medium-sized and intelligent herbivore which shows great interest in other life forms and their possessions. More research is needed to understand this life form and its behavior. Two finger-like appendages on each forearm are tipped with suction pads for basic object manipulation. Its large turquoise crest is made of rigid bone, is possibly used as a ram, although this has not been observed. Sea monkeys roam the ocean almost playfully, largely fearless of predators. Seen to form small nests where they hoard objects of interest for unknown purposes. Assessment: investigate with caution. Alright. Sea monkey nest. Sea monkey nests are large bowl-like structures made of packed sediment and plant matter. The sea monkeys use their wide, flat tails to pack the materials and form the structure of the nest. Sea monkeys are naturally curious creatures, often drawn to metallic materials, which they gather to reinforce the sides of their nests. And we have seen that with all the scannable items in those sea monkey nests. Alright, the Titan holefish. A large, docile herbivore which emits oxygen and is defended by the small, aggressive symbiotes which accompany them. Slow, stupid, and delicious. Complex gills line the inside of the hole, drawing cold water in and emitting warm, oxygen-rich water in its place. Attracts symbiotes, which make the holefish their home and fiercely ward off any approaching life form. I can't talk today. Migrates more or less at random, feeding from nutrients deposited by the symbiotes. The Titan holefish has evolved entirely beyond basic survival mechanisms like speed, intelligence, or hunting. It exists in a semi-permanent state of unreflective calm, swimming forward on impulse, fully trusting the complex ecosystem which supports it. Assessment: valuable oxygen source if you can reach it. Alright, let's do the small herbivores. Alright, Arctic peeper. A fast prey fish camouflaged against the ice. Like the common peeper, it is fast and relatively intelligent, allowing it to survive in large numbers. Researcher notes: don't like the auto-generated name, suggest ice clops. Assessment: edible. Alright. Bladderfish. It's probably exactly the same. It's exactly the same. That sucks. Okay. Probably the same for the boomerang. Yep, it's exactly the same. Okay. And the hoopfish, probably also the same. Yeah, it's the same. Okay, that's unfortunate. Oh well. Okay, flora. Alright, exploitable creepvine. It's probably the same. I think that's the same. That's also the same. Okay. Oh, that's alright. Sulfur plant is probably also the same. Yeah, okay. It's all the same. Alright, Bullseye Shroom. These are new. Alright, Bullseye Shrooms are harvestable fungi found growing near coral bridges. The mushrooms are noteworthy for their thick, meaty caps. These caps manage to produce a small amount of chlorophyll, which... Excuse me? The caps manage to produce a small amount of chlorophyll, which makes it capable of some photosynthesis, but the mushroom still gets most of its nutrients from dead matter in the sea floor. Okay, this is actually... Wow, this is actually really important. So this is saying that there are that there's chlorophyll specifically, which is weird because that... Interesting. Okay, so there's chlorophyll here. Yeah, I'll come back to that. I'm going to interpret that chlorophyll as this planet's version of chlorophyll, or at least it's so similar that it's basically the same. But that's interesting that it has that, because it wouldn't be exactly the same chlorophyll as on Earth. But that's really interesting, especially a fungi that has that. But that's cool, because the vast majority of the plants in the last game, they didn't... They had like almost no indication saying that they were photosynthetic or not. I just had to interpret that based on the depth that they were growing at, and based on if they were in areas where there was light or areas where there was not, like in caves or something like that. So that's interesting. That's kind of cool that it specifically says that they have that. Which is also weird because it says that these are fungi, which when I did when I've been working on the phylogenetic tree for this game, none of the fungi had photosynthetic things in it, and weirdly enough, very few plants in the game had photosynthetic cells, and they seem to have a variety of different photosynthetic cells. It wasn't just chlorophyll like these ones seem to be saying. It wasn't just kind of the green photosynthetic things. There were a bunch of other ones, like orange ones and purple ones, and so that's very interesting that this is like that. This is a really neat fungi, actually. I'm really glad that they added all that in. Okay. Coral bridge. Coral bridges are formed by rapidly growing coral polyps that exhibit thigmotropism. Thigmotropism. I don't know what that means. I'll have to look that up at some point. Which causes growth in response to stimuli or when touching a solid object. Coral bridges grow in thick, twisted patterns that anchor onto rocks or other coral. The underside is covered in colonies of blue barnacles. Frostinate, which is another thing. There were blue barnacles, I think, in the first game as well, but you couldn't scan them or do anything with them. They just kind of were there, which is a little unfortunate, but that's okay. Frost anemone. The frost anemone grows on the underside of ice floes and icebergs. The anemone's tendrils are covered in thin, stringing hairs that paralyze small fish and plankton that are broken down for nutrients. These tendrils should be trimmed to effectively harvest the edible heart. Neat. Carefully harvest for high nutritional value. Cool. Kelp root. Contrary to its name, the visible aspect of the kelp root is a thick, twisted stem. The root system anchors deep into the rocky walls of the cave. Some kelp roots grow a pustule along the stem, which are formed by the plant slowly ejecting out toxic materials that are absorbed by the extensive root system. Harvestable for resources used in fabrication. Cool. Luna plant. The Luna plant grows in shallow water. Branches grow off the main stem and create irregular rudimentary chambers. If one branch dies or is destroyed, the other branch's chambers will utilize the nutrients left behind. Eventually, a new chamber will grow in the empty space. Oxygen plant. The oxygen plant produces a harvestable reserve of oxygen in its bioluminescent floating bulb. It is hypothesized that this attracts territorial air-breathing fauna, forming a symbiotic relationship that protects the plant from herbivorous fish. Assessment: underwater source of breathable oxygen, useful in freediving scenarios. Pink narrowleaf. This grass-like species grows in small clusters near coral bridges. Okay. Radiant sieve coral. This light-emitting plant is reminiscent of a sieve or colander. Is it? I guess they're not separating coral from plants like they did in the last game. That's a little unfortunate. Actually, yeah, the coral bridge is in the sea thing as well. Oh well, that's okay. Alright, red wart. A common plant adaptable to many different environments, the red wart is a staple part of the diet of many smaller herbivores. That's exactly the same as the last game. I think it might have a different look. I feel like it had a different color in the last game. I'll have to look at that again, but yeah, it's the same description. Ribbon plant. The ribbon plant contains a highly concentrated sulfuric acid and can be harvested for use in battery fabrication. The sulfuric acid evolved as an evolutionary defense mechanism to discourage fauna from eating the leaves of the ribbon plant. When harvesting the plant, the core must not be compromised in order to avoid creating an exothermic chemical reaction. That's important to know. So why can't you just hit it with a knife and get seeds off of it? That doesn't seem safe. Alright. Scaly maw anemone. The scaly maw anemone prefers shallow water and ample exposure to sunlight, and exists in a symbiotic relationship with a species of vibrant algae that live atop the anemone's trunk. These algae thrive in the sun and create a thin, scaly bacterial mat around the structure of the anemone as they feed on other microorganisms that filter through the anemone's water space. Okay, so actually, when I was doing the phylogenetic tree for the last game as well, I have a whole separate section of plants that are both photosynthetic and they eat organisms, and it looks like the bacteria that grow on this anemone also do that, because they feed on other microorganisms, and they thrive, and they use sunlight. Well, it does. I mean, it says specific exposure to sunlight, and it says they thrive in the sun. So I'm assuming that means that they have photosynthetic properties, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Alright, shelf coral. A type of stony coral commonly found growing along rocky ledges. Stony corals have hardened biocomposite exoskeletons. The coral's polyps continuously grow upward and outward in thin layers, creating the grooved shelf appearance. Cool. Twisted mandrake. The twisted mandrake grows in temperate coral zones. Its leafy canopy photosynthesizes sunlight while providing shade to the bulbous structure underneath. Cool. Violet bow. It's same as last time, and it's confusing because it's purple and green, but that's okay. Okay, cool. I have tech, light stick, mineral detector. Okay. Alright, so that's good. And then we had some personal logs.
Some of the wildlife down here is very grabby. If I didn't know better, I'd say they're after my supplies.
And then I'll play this and I'll start doing some other things in the meantime.
In goes a battery and titanium, now comes a scanner. Every xenobiologist's favorite tool. This planet has some fascinating flora and fauna, and I can't wait to learn about them. This will also give me access to a greater tool set. I'm assuming Altera left behind tech that I can scan for blueprints. That should make surviving and exploring out here a bit easier. Don't worry, Sam. I haven't forgotten I'm here for you. But it can't hurt to do a little research on the side, right? I know you would have done the same. I will find out what happened to you. I promise.
Exactly. Research on the side isn't a problem. Okay. I guess we'll just keep exploring. Alright, so we got to read a bunch of those. That was cool. Oh, wait. I almost forgot. There was one more, thing that we read. Yeah, I'll just
I'm
play
telling you,
this.
Sammy, you see some weird things when you spend half your day in a sea truck.
More vandalism? Was it the sea monkeys again?
I don't think so. I can't shake the feeling this planet is cursed.
There's no such thing as a curse.
Yeah, you're probably right. That's nothing. You wouldn't want to hear about it anyway. Just a huge creature frozen in ice.
What? Where?
In a cave, not far from your lab. And here's the extra weird part. As soon as I called it in, they closed off the area. Don't want anyone going in there.
But why?
Sammy, I'm no biologist, but I think there was something wrong with it. Its skin just seemed off. Alien.
An alien on planet 4546b. No.
I'm serious, Sam. Something ain't right. Wish I could show you, but I can't get back in there.
You can't. But I might know how to.
Whatever you're thinking, we never had this conversation.
Ooh, that looks important. Oh, SOS over and over again. Interesting.
That sounds like a distress call.
Transmission of unknown origin. Source of transmission depth calculated at approximately 200 meters.
Crescent moon coral. Cool. It'd be cool if I could scan one of the brute sharks. Ooh, there's something to scan. Sea truck. Cool. I would very much like a sea truck.
30 seconds of oxygen
Yeah,
remaining.
but there's a brute shark that I'd like to scan instead. Ow, that hurt. It's fine, it's fine. I can take a few bites.
Oxygen.
Interesting attack pattern. Alright, I'll just swim back up. Oh, I might not make this. I ran out of oxygen very quickly. I might make it. We'll see. Ah, dang it. That sucks. Did I lose all my silver and gold and everything that I wanted? Probably. Oh my god, it punishes you hard if you die. I lost everything except a table coral sample. Wow. That hurts. Well, I guess now that that happened, we might as well read everything. Mineral deposit contains gold and titanium. Alright, more of this. Table coral. Probably exactly the same. It's exactly the same, and it makes less sense now because its growth patterns indicate the colonies on direct competition for positions with superior current or light. So they grow on top of each other like they did in the first game, but in this game they don't. They're not close to each other, but whatever. Alright, brute shark. A common shark-like predator with low intelligence. Its relatively streamlined body enables fast navigation of tight spaces. Yellow turquoise coloration provides camouflage in shallow waters. Slow-moving, it ambushes small fish from above. Assessment, minor threat. Yeah, it only bit me a little bit, so it's fine. Alright, and then we got the crescent moon coral. The crescent moon coral prefers to grow vertically, similar to a vine. The branching filaments connecting the crescent to the red stem contain tiny flagellum that pull in various microorganisms for nourishment. Cool. Alright, and then we'll play this,
Picked
sure.
up what sounds like a distress call. Who or what is out here calling for help? Didn't sound human. Maybe it's from a remnant of architect technology. In her message, Sam's colleague did say there was something important here. Even if it's just a mimic from one of the more intelligent aquatic specimens, that could be a major find. Or if it's from Altera, it could have bearing on what happened to Sam. I should definitely check it out.
It dropped my beacon? Oh, that's rude. Alright, well, on the bright side, maybe where my beacon is... Because I think when you die, you just... all of your stuff just falls out of your inventory. So maybe we can actually just go to this beacon and pick up all the stuff that we dropped. Oh, it's all just floating. Cool. I don't care about the titanium. I just want the table coral samples and all the actually valuable things, which it looks like the only things that are left are the titanium. But that's okay. Alright. I will take it. Give me you.
Alterra beacon signature detected. Unique identifier. Delta Station dock.
Oh, sure. Let's
Delta
go over there.
Station.
Ooh, sea truck fragment, probably. Yes, perfect.
Warning. 30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Another sea truck fragment, cool. Ooh, we hit a sea truck pretty quickly here. Oh, we have it. Okay, wow, that was really fast. I'm deep. I don't want to die, so go up. There's something else to scan. I
New
think
technology
it's
oxygen.
not necessary, but... Oh, we got the depth upgrade as well. That's nice.
Oxygen.
Okay, back down. Oh, we're just getting all the blueprints for this stuff. We'll probably need a modification station to get some of that. Got synthetic fibers. Yeah, it's another sea truck fragment. Okay, that's cool. Let's just check and make sure that this is not something that's important. Sea truck. Okay, that's fine. Ooh, new area. Oh yeah, I think these are Cryptosuchus. They're scary. Be cool to scan them. Oh wait, what is this?
Warning. 30 seconds of oxygen
Hydrothermal
remaining.
spire. Oh, cool, yes. Ooh, what's this? Harvestable? Maybe? No, not harvestable. Okay. Just grab this. Get more silver.
Oxygen.
Breathe. Ah, you are alarming. Do I have my med kit on me? I do. We could scan you, why not? Sure, come here, Mr. Cryptosuchus. Ooh, you're going after that. Whoa. Okay, you're intimidating. Ow. Okay. Alright, cool. Time to go. These anything? Doesn't look like it. Ooh, a hardy cave bush. Well, that's new. Please don't bite me again. Neat. Are you anything? I don't think you're anything. And you're violet bow, despite being green. It's fine. I'm probably gonna complain about that quite a few times. It was just that was such an important part of trying to figure out the evolutionary relationships, was trying to figure out what different color photosynthesizers were. One big difference was the purple ones versus the green ones, and it's just kind of funny that that doesn't really mean anything now. Who's roaring and where, and are you going to eat me? Ooh, there's a deep down. I don't know if I want to go too deep, but we'll go down
Warning.
and just get
Pass in
this.
100 meters. Oxygen efficiency
Ooh,
decreased.
that is a precursor thing. Oh, there's a precursor
This
thing right
alien
here.
technology exhibits a data signature that strongly correlates with the previously recorded distress call.
Oh.
Interesting. How about I can use this new data to identify where that call was coming from?
It's a creature egg.
Signal location uploaded to PDA.
Neat. Okay. Yeah, this is a neat little area. Okay, cool. Well, is this anything? Ooh, what's this? Ore vein. Oh, interesting. Gold. Ooh, that's wow. Okay, that's very nice. Okay. Ore veins are a thing now, and they just have
30
stuff.
seconds of oxygen remaining.
That's very cool. I'll just get this. I want to see if there's more ore veins. I don't see any more ore
Warning.
veins.
30 seconds of oxygen
Okay,
remaining.
well, that's good. Let's get out of here. Oh, it pinpointed where the distress call is based on what we scanned in here. Oh, that's really cool. Okay. That is very, very convenient.
Mineral-rich crevices detected below. Geothermal activity detected. Caution advised.
Okay, will do. I don't want to get blowed up, that's for sure. I mean,
Warning. 30 seconds
these are all
of
cool
oxygen
areas and I
remaining.
want to explore them, but I can't because I don't have a good tank and I don't have a rebreather. The Sea Glide is helpful, but... Oh! We're here. Yes, we are here. Okay. Yeah, I'll go up there. I'm just gonna check around just for a second just to see if there's anything spectacularly cool. You're just crash fish. Whoa, that exploded. That was neat. Fumarole, cool. Cool. Just gonna quickly check around here. Ooh, there's new things here. Can I scan you? I can't scan you, but you're a big purple thing. Okay, ragged pitcher plant. I'll scan this at least. Lithium, I'll take it. This is beautiful. I really like how pretty this area is. So rainbowy. Oh, that was a scary sound. Is that a fumarole or is that a big monster trying to eat me?
Oxygen.
Okay, I'll get some oxygen, that's fair. Ooh, satellite up there. Or a tower, not a satellite. What? I think they're just the fumaroles. I think that's what's making that noise. Ooh, you're pretty. What are you? A featherfish? Whoa, you're cool. Oh, you're so beautiful. I love you.
Calorie intake recommended.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. I do have a nutrient block, so we'll be okay for now, but... Okay, well, let's get up on this thing. See what this is all about. Sir, I thought I saw a scannable. Ooh, is this... That's a sea truck, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Okay. Nope. Okay, how to get on here? Maybe I just walk up on the land. That makes more sense. I'll keep that here. That seems useful. Cool. Alright, so we're up here now. Can't do anything with that. Coffee vending machine. I will take it. I think that helps you with your heat, especially. So that'll be very useful. Can I use it? That'd be cool. Desk. Sure. Oh, there's a PDA right in front of me. I didn't even see that. Trash can. Sure. Can I scan those? No. Okay. Bench. Oh, yes. Cool. I'll take water. Okay, well, I need to warm up. So I'll get in the freezing water, which is warmer than outside for some reason. They did say something about my suit being able to tolerate it better. Oh.
If you can hear this, you're trespassing. If you know it's good for you, you'll get the hell out of here.
Oh. Hello, Maida. Maida was from the first game. Presumably died. But nope. She's also in, like, every trailer, so I don't think it's too big of a spoiler to say that. Pick up snow. I won't pick up snow yet, just in case. Okay, I'm gonna sit back in the hot spring. I can't scan the hot spring. That seems like something I'd want to scan. But then again, I want to scan everything, so, you know. Hello! Thermal Lily! Cool. Alright, onward. Can I scan any of the things that are growing by you? horseshoe scrub. A scrub nut. Oh, well, I guess if it already checked it, I'll read it. The horseshoe scrub is a terrestrial plant that thrives in warm conditions. Visual identification is easy due to the thick crown of leaves on its bifurcated trunk. The trunk has a thick fibrous core that stores water for its fruiting body. Assessment: fruit can be harvested and planted and could be a sustainable food source. That's cool. So this is our sustainable food. Oh, it gives you health? Whoa. Health, food, and water. It's not a lot of water,
Vital
but
signs stabilizing.
I'm gonna take some. Well, I don't have a place to plant these yet, so I'll just eat them for now and then drink some water. Perfect. Oh, that worked really well. Well, we can always come back here. Cool. We can't scan you right now. We cannot. Okay. Well, let's just look around. Some neat things here. I'm glad that they kept the... Now you can carry things while you're sprinting, which is very nice. When you toggle sprint, it just keeps going. Like, you don't have to hold down sprint. You can just toggle it and go, which is very nice because I don't like holding it down. Ooh, that's hot. That's cool. Mineral detector fragment. I guess I already have this, but Terra PDA, crystalline sulfur, more crystalline sulfur. I probably don't need this much crystalline sulfur, but I will take it anyway. Okay, this. Oh. Hi.
Stop right there, Altera. You're out of bounds.
I'm not with Altera.
Then your position is doubly precarious.
What do you mean?
If you're telling the truth, you're out of your mind. If you're lying, there'll be hell to pay.
Wait! Who are you?
Stay off my land.
Bye.
The woman in the exosuit has been traced as far as my technology will allow.
It would appear I'm far less alone on this planet than I had anticipated.
Ooh,
Signal
base.
location uploaded to PDA.
Oh, okay. It traced her a little bit more. That's nice. Ooh, it's all snowy in here. I watched Jacksepticeye's playthrough and he went in here and it wasn't all snowy. This is really cool. I like this. Terra Facilities map. Okay, sure.
A map will
Ooh.
come in handy. I should be able to find my way to Phi Robotics where Sam worked.
Oh, that's very nice. Yeah, okay. Alright, cool. Fabricator. And we can scan all this stuff, and this will be really helpful for the future. And we can get the multi-purpose room, which is very nice. Cool. This is a productive place for sure. Got lots of scannables and lots of useful tools for the future. Jukebox. Also, I didn't get to watch the whole stream. I caught like the very end of the stream though. The very end of the Subnautica Below Zero release stream.
Blueprint synthesized.
They talked about you can go into the game logs and you can put in your own music into the game logs, and then you can play it on the jukebox, which is really cool. So you just need your own. Oh, my inventory's full. I've got so many flares, and I can't imagine I'm going to actually need them, so I'm going to just get rid of that, and then pick up the nutrient block, 'cause the nutrient block is much more useful. Fred's bed. Alright. We'll have to read all the data downloads from in here. We can probably do that here, since we're in a relatively calm area. Open shaving kit. Pick up Fred shaving kit. A fancy shaving kit. Oh, it's just like decorative. Okay. I mean, that's cool and all, but I'm gonna drop that for now. Where did it go? Well, I wanted to come back and get that later. Oh wait, I'm stupid. I could have put it in the locker that's in here, assuming that locker works. Oh, Fred's shaving kit's gone forever. It wasn't a big deal, but sad still. Oh, there's a framed picture. I want that. I guess I won't touch it until I have a base. Damage modification station. Okay, cool. Very useful. Can you pick up the coffee cup? Kind of looked like you could for a second. I can't seem to touch it anymore. Oh, it's this. Pick up poster. Wait, hang on. Say no to sky rays? What's wrong with sky rays? Jeremiah's bed. That's silly. And PDA. The Avian Curse. Interesting. Oh, I can't even use that locker. Okay. Well, I just lost the shaving kit forever, but that's not a huge deal. Wait, I could scan something. What was it? Oh, the framed picture I can scan. Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay, well, I will come back for that because I think my inventory is either, yeah, it's quite full. And it's gonna be a little while before I can get any more room. Oh, I want all the posters. Okay, well, we'll have to come back here once we have a base and collect a bunch of that stuff. Ooh, what is this? I like these. Data box. Scanner room. Oh, that's very, very helpful. Ooh. Neat. Okay, let's see what all this is. Oh, another PDA. I forgot to read everything. I said I was going to read everything, and then I got distracted by this game. So, we'll just come out here and finish up all this stuff, and then I'll go back and do that. Sky rays? Weird. I'm surprised that there are sky rays here. Huh. That's pretty neat, actually. Okay. Can you get close enough so I can scan you? No? That's fine. Okay. Alright. Status report. Enter test mode. Oh, we can't do that. Okay. Climb up here. Oh, I'm getting cold. Is there anything warm up here? Oh, PDA, sure. Get it. Test override module port. Wait, hang on. I don't want to do that just yet. Let's get back over to the warm plant really fast. Ooh, I'm stuck. Okay, there we go. Warm plant. Thank you. Thermal Lily, I believe your name was. Okay, I just want to see what pushing the button does. It's probably not a good idea, but I'm going to try it anyway. Cool. Let's go. Oh, I think I need something for that. Okay, that's fair. Unless I can use my repair tool. Nope, okay. Ladder. Alright, well, there's a bunch of stuff to read, so maybe we could take a second to do that. Or maybe I'll keep exploring first, and then I'll go do that. Oh, there's another base here. That might be... Oh, it was right next to this one. I just didn't go there. I like the outside, like, frozen texture. Emmanuel's bed.
Setup. Must belong to one of those higher-uppers.
Yeah, they got a big, fancy bed. The other guys did not have... Ooh, aquarium, cool. They did not have fancy beds. I can't use the locker. Ooh, yes, we can plant things now. I wonder if I can plant those nuts with these. That would be very, very helpful. Executive desk, sure. It's a fancy one. Oh, Emmanuel Desjardins. That was one of the people. That was in the talking in the things. I think in the message to Robin about Sam dying was from this guy. So we'll take that.
Sam really got under management's skin. I know she had it in her.
Oh, that's so fun! I love that! We got the blueprint, right? Should be under, like, miscellaneous. Yay, we did! Ah, I want that. I'm gonna have so many. Oh, we're gonna have specific people's beds, like with that. Like, there's fancy beds, and then there's a one with a sea truck on it. Oh, that's fun. All right, now we have lockers and a fabricator. We can get the modification station. That's cool. All the scanner room stuff is great. We've got sea truck things. Got the sea truck. Okay, we actually have a lot of nice things. Thermos, insulated storage receptacle for beverages. Ooh, that seems important. Okay. Cool. Okay, this is quite good. What was I interacting with? It was probably just that. Okay, cool. Anything else in here? Oh, the observatory. Yeah, sure. Basic plant pot. Cool. Terra, download PDA. Okay. Okay, neat. Well, oh, and there's another poster. Focus. Okay, well, we can't do that just yet. So I'll just hang here for a second and read some of the things we got, because we got a lot of things to look at. Mineral Distillery. The structure of this device and internal scans indicate a likely utility in processing and extracting minerals out of the water. Oh, this was that the precursor tech that I scanned that also led me to the location of the distress signal. Okay, so the device is engineered to suck water into a superheated primary chamber. As the water boils, steam is forcefully condensed back into a separate chamber that releases the processed water back into the ocean. The minerals that are left behind are gathered in the attached container module. Activation and control parameters remain unknown. Okay, cool. Yeah, we can read some of that later. I want to read some of these things. Okay, a few updates. We can. Oh, they're all like big things. Okay, well, yeah, we'll play that while we're looking around, I guess. I guess we'll just go with that. Oh, hello, bird. What are you doing? Yeah, we'll do that.
Frostpack. Just a quick update to inform you of some key achievements and priority shifts we need you all to get behind. The Spy Pangling project was a resounding success. Please join me in congratulating Samantha IU, who is now reassigned to Outpost Zero, helping us dream of future initiatives. Congratulations are also in order for Danielle Valenti and her team at Omega Lab. The closing of Phi Robotics means important funds can be redirected to their Kara bacteria study, which has important positive implications for the life sciences.
Yeah,
You're all doing an exceptional job, and I don't want to promise anything, but HQ has been taking notice. Keep up the good work, and I think we can start discussing bonuses soon.
Yeah, you're not evil at all. Definitely not. You don't sound evil or anything. Okay, let me play another one.
For the last time, I'm not cheating.
Then what's your theory? What's going on?
If you ask me, Zeta's been blinking a lot. I think it's a tell.
He does have a point there.
It's allergies.
Allergies? Oh, is something in bloom in this frozen sector?
Thermal lilies. And if you gang up on me, I swear you're all fired.
You're not even my boss.
Oh, you're all so gullible. You're fighting each other. Meanwhile, look at Parvin. Just look at him.
What am I doing? I'm not doing anything.
Let's just take this to a vote. All those who think Zeta's allergies are a bad case of alienitis, say intruder.
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 Intruder. Danny?
Oh, I'm just an observer here.
I'm going to use my pass.
Is there some kind of scientist conspiracy going on here? Zeta, Sam, Danielle, you three are suddenly very aligned.
Or, like I said, Parvin is cheating.
I'm starting to wish I was cheating.
Got the builder fragment. That's really nice. Oh, we can build all kinds of good things now. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, maybe I will start building a base so I can have some storage and a battery charger. That'd be really good. Ooh, stairs? I don't think I went this way. It's down here. Oh, there's a penguin down there. Oh yeah, I didn't go this way. Ooh, sure. Give me gold. Ooh, yes, more gold. Oh, my inventory's full. Let's keep playing stuff.
David, you'll be happy to know the Frostpack is making excellent progress. I must say, My management style appears to be uniquely well suited to isolated planets. I miss you, of course, but I wonder if you feel it too. As great as we are together, we're almost better apart. Just look at how well Prosperina did in her last show. I'm sorry I couldn't be there to see it, but I'm sure if I'd been around, I'd only have made her nervous. Once this mission is over, I'll come home for a few good months. And then, what do you think if we look at reorganizing our expectations to facilitate longer-term separation success? I really think this could be a great model for us going forward, romantically and otherwise. Don't forget, I love you from the depths of my heart. Keep on succeeding in your projects. You know there's nothing I find more attractive.
Oh, there's diamonds back there. That's neat. Can't get there, but... Well, he is a dick. I don't like him. He is just evil. Alright, cool. That was quite productive. We have a full inventory. No, we don't have a full inventory anymore. But we can just grab some things on our way back. That's the distress call. I don't want to go toward that yet. Well, that's an animal. I'm almost positive. Oh yes, the Cryptosuchuses. Oh, you're very flappy with how you swim. Alright, I'm gonna just go by you, if that's cool with you, and we won't fight or anything bad. Rock Puncher! Hello! Please don't punch me. I just want to scan you. You're very cool. Cool. Oh, you guys seem unhappy. You're very, like, frantic when you swim and attack and things like that. Let's go over here. And we did pick up that battery, right? We have one extra battery? Yes, we do. Cool. Okay. Oh, grow beds! Oh, yes. That's important. That's really important. The exterior grow beds, but that's still very useful. Oh, it's just some fungal growth. Okay. I mean, it would be nice. What could we drop? We could drop. We've got a lot of titanium. We don't need this for now. Pick up that. Yeah, there's oxygen, but we're fine. Okay, that was very helpful. Getting that exterior grow bags. Now we can make our own
oxygen
ribbon plants, which is very helpful. In we go. There were also more PDA things I should
have guessed Altera would find a way to clip Sam's wings, like I knew they'd do to mine once they took over Xenoworks. I tried to warn her. She was stubborn, like me. Ever since I was a kid, I always wanted to be so different from her. Scrappier, faster, less play by the rules. But Sam didn't tolerate Altera's corporate red tape any more than I did. She just tried to change it from the inside. I think in the end, we always wanted similar things.
Thermos. That seems pretty useful. I wonder if I could just put water in that. That'd be nice. Okay, so I do really want that habitat builder. This mineral detector would be good too, so we should probably make that as well. Wiring kit and computer chip. Well, let's get some glass first, because I can do that. Oh yeah, let's just make this thermos. I just want to see what it's like. Insulated storage, so I guess I gotta figure out how to fill this up. I don't know how to do that, but we'll figure it out. Okay, well, let's drop that stuff. We gotta get some copper. Ooh, very pretty. Cool. Double lung plant. Ooh, I haven't seen you yet. Cool. Did they ever make these things into anything? No, they were so cool. These were in the early access, and they were really cool to see something that looked like that. And I was really excited for them to get to be scannable and have some information on them, but they never did. So, oh well, that's okay. Cool. Habitat builder is done. Perfect.
Adding emergency shelter blueprints to your databank. With the Builder tool, you can construct sea bases from raw materials, advising against exploring a frozen water continent without a base. No bed, no storage, no place to put fabricator module. No fun.
No fun. Okay, so we have the mobile vehicle bay. That's really nice. We can start making a sea truck. Awesome. Okay, so let's just put that out and then also start building a small base. Just so we have a lot of room. Let's put this here. Oh yeah, assign to a quick slot. We'll just put it there. Hiya! And then I'll put my scanner back. Assign a quick slot. Perfect. Okay. So that's all good. So we have that. I'm curious what we need to do to make this sea truck. Sea truck, titanium ingot, advanced wiring kit, glass, lead, and a power cell. That is really not that hard to do, actually. But, okay, I'm not going to do that right now. I want to build a base first. Cool. Alright, so now we have a little bit of a base. That's nice. We can get inside. Cool. Okay, so now we can start putting things in here that we need. Okay, perfect. So we have that now. Okay. All right, so I think I'm gonna end this for now. We got some good progress done. We have a base now that we can start putting storage in. I might come in later and just farm some titanium or something like that, but I'm gonna have to do quite a bit of farming before I can get anything productive, get anything super productive done. And then later on we can go and maybe explore the pilot. You know, we can get a sea truck and we should be able to go deeper. We can especially go, once we get a sea truck, we should be able to go do the alien distress call origin much easier. And that, yeah, that should be good for now. So yeah, we will take care of that all next time. So, thank you all for watching.